What's happening, guys? My name is Gadget. Today's another day. So, I literally have to clean the house, like almost the house. So, my brother's not waking up to clean, and he said we had to clean at 10 o'clock, and it's 10:43 in the morning. And I woke up 43 minutes ago, and my stepdad said that we can't go anywhere, we can't do anything unless the let's see, unless the living room's done and the bathroom's done and the bedroom. So we gotta get all those we gotta get all three things clean in order to go places. So I just have time. So I had to wait. I'm gonna wake up my brother I'm gonna get some wrenches and bang them together as an alarm clock, because my brother, because I'm the one who's cleaning and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go in here. Oh, I can't show you how the code. Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna get 2 wrenches, and I'm gonna crash them together several times to wake them up. This will be a funny thing. Unlock that. Oh, it just locked automatically. Alright, guys. So we're gonna find some wrenches here. Not that. These are my stepdad's tools. So, don't ever go on your parents' stuff. Note, do not ever go on your parents' stuff without their permission, because they'll get mad. Alright, I need to find some wrenches. No, not in there. I think hammers will work, but I don't want to do hammers. And we'll go to the shore. Alright, so here's some wrenches. So I'm gonna get this big one, and this one right here. And I'm gonna crash them together as an alarm clock. This will be really funny. So this is what he gets. Species. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in the room. Alright, guys, so I'm in my bedroom. So I got the wrenches as an alarm clock. So I'm gonna set down the camera. Okay, and my brother's asleep. He's waking up. We gotta be really quiet. And I got the wrenches. So this is. Alright, guys, turn down your volume. Jaden, we gotta wake up. It's time to do chores. Get out of bed. Leave me alone! Faggot. Breakfast is ready. Jaden, I'm gonna keep doing it. Jaden, we gotta do chores.
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Jaden, we gotta do chores. Jaden, do chores. Basically, so we gotta wake up at 10 o'clock and it's 10:40 something. And Jaden, Clay's gonna tell you to get out of bed, so get out of bed or I'm banging the wrenches again. Come on, Jaden. Chores. Clay said we gotta wake up at 10.
Shut the fuck up.
He said we gotta wake up at 10.
Blah, 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 blah.
10 o'clock.
Blah, blah, blah,
10 o'clock.
Blah, 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 blah.
Come on.
Blah,
I'm gonna keep banging them until you wake
blah,
up.
blah, blah.
Come on, let's go. Wake up.
If you fucking keep doing that, I'm going to shove them up your fucking ass.
Because you're not waking up.
I'm fully fucking awake. I don't want to get up.
Okay, then Okay, get yelled at. Get yelled at by Clayton. I guess so my round's been kind of a shitting. So that was oh my god, that shit was awesome. I guess I gotta put these wrenches away before my stepdad gets home. Oh, gotta close this door. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna put these wrenches away until before he gets home. Yo, that was the funniest thing I've ever done. I woke him up. He has to wake up. Because he doesn't know to wake up. Because my stepdad gave us a time limit to wake up. Oh my god, that shit was hilarious. Little boy. Was it hilarious? Was that hilarious? What you done? Yeah, that was funny, wasn't it? That was funny, wasn't it? Alright guys, that shit was the hilarious thing I've ever done. I literally bashed 2 wrenches together to wake him up. That shit was hilarious. I used 2 wrenches as an alarm clock. Oh my god. Guys, that was hilarious. Alright guys, so I hope he gets yelled at. That's gonna do it for the video. Goodbye guys. Peace out.